Another day, another view. This time we're going to talk about split view. Now, I'll be honest with you, I've never used that. So this is a bit of a new thing for me as well. But let's see what we can do. So you know the drill by now. I have got a little example program. Right, I've cut down the wait times between displays to 3 seconds from 5, because you know what to expect by now. So with split view, you basically draw two views with one command. And you can split them vertically with I've got it here with a thick border, or you can split it horizontally, and here I use a shallow border. There are your, so here these are Boolean values, so it's either true or false. I generally prefer to use 1 and 0 instead of true and false, but yeah, that's up to you. Okay, let's see how it works. Okay, there's our window. There's our vertical split view, and something went wrong. I would have expected this thinner divider to be around there, and then to have text, just below it. Well, as you can see, that is not exactly what happened. It is there, but it is not where I expected it to be. So, yeah, it's the horizontal one seems to be a bit unreliable. It doesn't do what I would expect it to do. And frankly, I wouldn't even use this one. I would just have my regular views, and if I needed a divider, I'll just draw it myself. But you may find that it is useful to you. Who knows? For the thing that you are trying to do. So the important thing is that you give it a name. Right, so this top one is called vTest view, and then it splits it up into vTest view 1 and vTest view 2. Important to remember, it uses common sense numbers and not the kind of computer numbers that start with 0. And can you then have a third one? No, as far as I know, you cannot. So this is a rather specialized kind of view. And it doesn't immediately suggest use, but I think somebody will find a use for it. And also the horizontal one didn't quite do what I expected it to do. But maybe you can play around with that and see what I did wrong. Yeah, put it in the comments. So that is it for split view. If you're liking this episode or the channel in general, how about a thumbs up? Yeah, and always like the channel, subscribe to the channel, buy me a coffee on Ko-fi, whatever a coffee costs where you live. No, but even if you just throw $1 at me, that helps me keep the channel going. I try to keep this little begging things to a minimum, but you know how it is. Thanks for watching, everybody.